I want to introduce you to a new program that's coming out, a new course on learning Python for beginners. Okay, this is going to be a different course than you're probably used to. This is going to be a fun, loose, no shirt, no tie type course. We're going to do it in a different way than it's usually tackled. It's going to be a complete video course. There's not going to be any really written homework that you have to do. It's all going to be given to you in video form. Let me just explain a little bit of how the course is laid out. It's laid out in two different sections, two main sections at least. The first half is the first section. It's going to be sort of the basics, what you need to know to write in Python computer language. We're going to be covering topics such as data types, variables, using Python as a calculator. We're going to jump into a quick little tiny program as your first little program. Then we're going to do functions, modules, classes. We're going to get into if statements and loops. And then I'm going to show you some tricks to wrap it all up. All right, that's the first half, just the real basic stuff you got to dive into. The second half is what's really interesting. We're going to be completing 5 different programs, okay? The first 3 are little tiny programs, but they're sort of useful. They're things that you do in everyday life. Like the first one, for example, you might have seen the smartphone apps dealing with tip calculators or divvying up a bill at the end of a meal. We're going to do a little program that does that for us. The second and third deal with numbers. One is a prime number calculator, and the third program, is going to be a fun little algorithm that just divvies up how many chicken nuggets you might want to buy depending on the pack sizes that we can order and the number of chicken nuggets you want for your party set. So that's a fun-loving little program we're going to do using Python. The fourth program is going to be dealing with files and how to bring in a file and manipulate the data inside the file. And the fifth program, the big one, is going to be a word game, similar to Scrabble, where we take a word with an associated, number value to it, and we're going to play a little game that way. It's going to be a 2-player game, all done with Python. That's what you're going to get out of this. You're going to learn sort of the basics that you need to know to start writing Python, and then you're also going to get the hands-on experience of actually writing 5 programs. It's going to be laid out where you are going to be given instructions on what the program should do. I'm going to allow you to do in between videos to write the code yourself to see where your strengths and your weaknesses are, and to really dive in and learn the best with hands-on experience. And then after that, we're going to show you the solution to the program. I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm going to walk you through line by line how the code works. All right, it's going to be a really fun program. The videos are going to be cut down to 10 to 20 minute lengths, usually around 10 minutes, or sometimes less than 10 minutes. And that's done on purpose, just so that it's going to be easy for you guys to retain the information. Every video deals with one topic. I'm not doing multi-topics inside videos. I do one topic per video, short videos. If you guys want to catch up on something or forgot, say, variables, you jump over that variables video. It's only 10 minutes long, and you get all your information right there. Okay? I'm not going to be wearing a suit and tie. You don't have to. You're sitting at home at your computer. Just wear your comfortable clothes. I'm going to be wearing this. We're going to have a lot of fun. Python is a fast and easy language. It's very powerful as well. And it's sort of the gateway to other languages. So if you ever want to learn Java, C, C++, Objective-C, all those languages, this is a great language to start on, to learn on. You learn the basics here, and you can sort of move it into the other ones. It's very easy to learn the more difficult languages when you start on Python. Okay, so I hope you join the course, and I want to see you inside so we can start working together. There's going to be commenting available where you can comment on it, and I'm going to read those and adjust the course likewise. There's going to be a bonus video section later on where if there's information that's not included in the course that I think is valuable to you guys as beginners, I'll do a little video and throw that in the bonus section. So I want to see you guys in there. I want to have fun with this, okay? Learning Python is cake. It's easy, it's basic, and let's get going on it. See you later.